Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the stand matches your GPU length and weight rating. This prevents sag. Attach an anti-static strap, then lay a soft cloth in front of the open case to protect surfaces. Once done, position the stand base next to the PCIe slot area and align the mounting posts with the case floor holes. Insert the screws just until finger tight so you can still adjust. Make sure the stand sits flat and parallel to the GPU slot before proceeding to bracket attachment. You now slide the GPU into the PCIe slot while supporting the card with one hand and the bracket with the other. This avoids PCB stress. Fasten the stand clamp loosely so the card remains movable, then use the height adjuster to lift the GPU until its backplate lines up with the case I/O. Once aligned, tighten the clamp incrementally. Tighten opposite screws a bit at a time to keep level. Make sure connectors are straight and that airflow paths remain unobstructed before full tightening. You finish by torquing all screws to firm, even tension. Do not over-tighten because that can warp the PCB. Once done, reinstall the case panel, boot the system, and confirm stable temperatures and no graphical artifacts. This verifies seating. If the GPU wobbles or sags over time, shut down, loosen mounting screws slightly, realign the bracket, and then resecure while keeping the card level. That single troubleshooting step fixes most misalignment issues without disassembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.